Hi everyone, welcome to watch our project description and hand motion tracking for rehabilitation purpose. In the treatment of the disabled like hand dysfunction, how to monitor the patient's hands movement rehabilitation is very important, especially in a remote diagnosis when the patient cannot meet the doctor in person. To solve this problem, a sensor-based glove is in critical demand for collecting data from the patient remotely and then be transferred and displayed on the doctor side. The first time we know this project, we all think it is really amazing and meaningful to design a glove for improving patient experience and making rehabilitation purpose more intelligent. However, the performance of a real sensor is much different from ones we use in simulation. Calibrating and mapping the sensor data will be a real challenge in reality.
Well, I will introduce our main steps of the project. A newly designed sensor is provided to measure the bending degree of our fingers in real time. To be specific, according to the deformation of the sensors, like stretching it in one direction, the resistance will change correspondingly.
Well, the main steps of the project is shown here. The first thing is to construct a glove which fits the hand very well, then determine the layout of the sensor to cover all the joints of the fingers that need to be measured. Since the size and the position of sensors have a very big impact on the result, we built several prototypes to evaluate which one is the best. After that, collected signals will be transferred into Arduino Mega board for further processing, which is shown in the figure. Then map the collected signal to the degree of fingers bending so that we can display the motion of the fingers in unity. The simulation can be found that index finger and the thumb work well. As for the technical challenges, the biggest one is the overshoot and the oscillations of signals at every time we bend our fingers. Since this is caused by both noise and the nature of the fabric sensor, we have to use filters to smooth them out.
Another challenge is from the COVID-19 virus. Even until now, Melbourne is still in stage 4 lockdown, and it's difficult for us to work together. To keep our project on track, we switch our cooperation approach to remote mode. Our team has a Zoom meeting every week and discusses weekly progress and next arrangements. Also, during each meeting, we consult our supervisor, Ali Reza, about our problems we encountered, and he is always able to give us helpful advice. In addition, our team found some suitable ways to work from home. We divide our tasks into 3 different parts for each team member, and all materials we need could be bought online. Moreover, we create a project on Google Drive for file sharing and editing, and all works would be combined together before the final demonstration. We are glad to share our working experience with you and see you in the next video.